Once again, Human Swiss Army knife here. I got in the middle of something and I thought, maybe other people would like to see this also. So I bought myself a little kit. I have an old Rip Curl watch from 1977. It's actually a pretty cool watch. And I have, you can see I've got it already taken apart, so I'm going to kind of fake this. They give you a tool. You buy this, you get this tool, and allows you to adjust the width of what you're opening up, and you just get them in the right place and you turn it and it undoes the watch, which is really pretty cool. So now what you also need to do is, it's easier to work with it. They give you a little tool to take the pin out. You poke it on either side and it should come out pretty easy. There you go. Pin's out. Okay, now you can work on the watch a little bit easier. Make sure you don't lose any parts. And you put this back in the mount and it makes it much easier to work with. Now you have to unscrew Actually, you don't. You just need to push the battery out. I don't think you need to unscrew it, but maybe that would be not a bad idea. Let's see if it has another end to it. Oh, they didn't give me a little tiny screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is see if I can push it out with this. No, I think you have to take the screw off. No. Okay. Okay, so I was able to lift the battery up and push it out of the way, and everything's clean. This is a clip. It's getting that little screw out with a very, very, very fine jeweler screw was not my thing that I wanted to do. And it looks like I'm going to need to magnify it because it's really tiny. But anyway, that's how you do it, and you just put everything in reverse and put it back together. Now when you're waiting for your battery, I would cover it and put it back and take your cover and just give it a couple spins so it's not exposed to the elements. Pretty cool tool. It's very similar to the one the jewelers have, but not as fine. Anyway, hope that helps, and have a great day. Human Swiss Army knife, we're out. So now that we've determined it's an SR721SW, I put the cover back on the watch. I put the watch battery away, and it appears that this is a very common battery. Got it from Amazon has them. They're like $7 for 5 of them. And I put everything away in a nice neat little bag, and I wait and I go pull my other watches and see what else I got.